lots of fun.
Pyjama Drama is lots of fun. Everyone, we love to sing and we love to play. Because drama is for every day. Drama is for every day. Hooray! Hi you guys, I hope you're all well. Here's a quick little video for you to carry on with your still images work when you guys are just at home, wondering what else you can do. Still images are what we use in theatre to come and magnify a moment. So it might be that we're trying to express something that's happening. It could be that we're not even a character. We're actually expressing an environment, so like mountains or hills. It's how we use our body and our characteristics, our expressions, to show what's going on in the show. Sometimes they will be completely still. Other times they'll be slow moving. So for example, if I asked you to create a still image of the trees in the forest, it might be that you start moving as that tree really nicely in the breeze. It might be then that the director asks you to slow that down. So you're just a small movement. And it might be still image time. So like a photo being taken, we keep completely still. So your challenge for today is to create still images for 5 emotions. So it might be a still image to show that you're really happy. It might be a still image to show that you're really sad. It might be really excited. It might be really mad. It could be anything you want. 5 still images. One of the best ways to do that is to start with the emotion first. So I'm really happy today. I'm so happy. And then to slow that down as if the camera has clicked. Like this. I'm really happy today. I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. That takes the emotion from the movement into that still image. So give it a go, you guys. I know you're brilliant. If you get the chance, send us some photos and videos. And we'll see you on Wednesday for the next part of our story. See you soon, everyone. Bye!